Stop settling for flat lighting. A lamp isn't just a bulb. It's the soul of your space. Today, we're taking ordinary wire, paper, and glass and performing material alchemy to create gallery-grade lighting. If you want to turn your home into a breathtaking sanctuary after dark, these designer secrets are for you. Let's illuminate the extraordinary. Hello, my beautiful community of mindful creators. I'm Beki, and welcome back to Beki Décor. Light is the single most important element in interior design. Yet it's often the most overlooked. Today, we are exploring creative and cool DIY lamps and shades that prove you don't need a luxury budget to have high artistry design. From drum shade makeovers to recycled bottle transformations, I'm showing you how to achieve tactile integrity through light. Let's create some magic. The Illumination Revelation Secret 1. The Fabric Layer, Tactile Integrity. We start with the drum shade makeover. Most store-bought shades feel flat. By introducing a raw, textured linen, we add tactile integrity. The secret is in the weave. When the light hits this fabric, it creates an organic glow that softens the entire room. This isn't just a shade, it's a textural anchor. The Illumination Revelation Secret 2. The Wire Framework, Shadow Architecture. In 2026, we are obsessed with shadow architecture. By building a minimalist wire cage around a simple bulb, you aren't just creating a lamp, you're designing the shadows on your walls. It creates a linear rhythm that makes even a small apartment feel like a curated gallery. The Illumination Revelation Secret 3. The Recycled Vessel, Glass Alchemy. Don't overlook the soul of old glass. This is material alchemy at its finest. By repurposing a unique bottle into a lamp base, you add architectural weight to your side table. The transparency of the glass keeps the space feeling airy, while the light reflects through the imperfections of the recycled material. The Illumination Revelation Secret 4. The Ribbon Weave, Compositional Continuity. Ribbon isn't just for gifts. It's a tool for compositional continuity. By weaving tonal ribbons through a frame, you create a custom pattern that can echo the colors in your room. This adds a bespoke luxury feel that you simply cannot find in a big box store. The Illumination Revelation Secret 5. The Paper Sculpture, Organic Minimalism. Paper is the ultimate medium for organic minimalism. An origami-inspired shade diffuses light with a softness that plastic can never replicate. It creates a breathtaking focal point that feels light, sculptural, and incredibly sophisticated. The Illumination Revelation Secret 6. The Visual Echo, the Senior Expert Finish. The hallmark of a senior designer is the visual echo. To make your DIY lamp feel built-in, pair it with a small object that shares its material. If your lamp has a linen shade, use a linen throw nearby. This creates a breathtaking harmony that pulls the entire sanctuary together. Illumination Revelation Senior Designer, Secret 7. The hallmark of a senior expert is the visual echo. To prevent your DIY lamp from looking like an isolated project, you must repeat its DNA throughout the room. Step 1. Implement material repetition. If you use linen for your shade, place a linen throw or a small textile scrap elsewhere in the space. Step 2. Curate the shadow landing. Position your lamp so its light hits a piece of wall art or a plant, creating a breathtaking focal point. This creates a compositional continuity that pulls the eye across the sanctuary, making your home feel composed, rather than just lit. It's the ultimate designer secret for a cohesive, bespoke sanctuary. Before you go and start lighting up your own world, I want to say a huge thank you to this mindful community. Your creativity is the fuel for Beki Décor. If you felt a spark of inspiration today, hit that subscribe button and share your lighting revelations with us in the comments. I can't wait to see how you illuminate your space. Remember, your home is not just where you live. It is where you recharge. Light is the bridge between a house and a soulful sanctuary. Don't just light a room. Set an intention. Practice your material alchemy. Trust your creative eye, and create the glow you deserve. I'm Beki, and I'll see you in the next revelation. Stay inspired.